So two questions. I hope you are able to make it that. Now I'm sharing my screen. 70. Yeah. Yeah. Now I shared my screen. How are you? Everybody is good? The main intention of this offline and online class is to interact more because AI sessions are like growing sessions, right? All are AI sessions. So AI sessions are nowadays very, very important. Very important. Every company, every company is asking about first question is tell about yourself, tell about yourself. And second question is, do you know anything about generative AI? Do you have experience? Do you have any experience on Gen AI, agentic AI? So these are the questions. These are the questions are mandatory questions nowadays. First question is what? Tell about yourself. Second question, these questions pakka. Non-IT student, IT student, is not matter. But these two questions are mandatory. Now, we already know nowadays everyone is become like AI engineer without proper knowledge. So whenever AI sessions are happened, right? So we decided we want to provide the AI sessions. That's why we are conducting every Saturday as AI sessions in the class. And whenever we are conducting the AI sessions, it is very better interactive sessions among yourself. If you have so many doubts, you'll get it. You can talk with me. And you have friends also there in the offline room. And you can see their laptop also, whether he is executing, I am not executing, you can talk with them. Like that at any cost, by end of the session, you are able to get some knowledge and able to prepare some AI application. So that is the main intention. So that's why we want to give a try once again. Once we'll conduct offline sessions also, and both online session combinedly. So that's why we asked to that come to those who are enrolled like the Naresh IT, enrolled in Naresh IT. We are asking you that come to here. So voice is breaking. Amma, can you please confirm the chat, ma? Online people, voice is breaking, ma? No, right? Thank you, thank you. Yeah, you already know that how to attend online classes. So some people are is a it is an like free workshop, right? Free workshop. Many people will join. Many students will join. So that my request is the first thing is now increase your volume up. Increase the volume. Increase the volume. Increase the volume. And second thing is insert your headset. Insert your headset. And third one is very, very important, Roy. Connect with your internet, proper internet. Okay. Connect with your proper internet. Connect with your proper internet. So the session name is, we are going to do that LangSmith sessions. So here, Hitesh, your friend is asking one question, right? Hitesh, where is Hitesh? In offline class also one Hitesh is there, Hitesh. Doing masters, I heard about Gen AI agentic, want to pursue, it's picking up your course. It's picking up course. Yes. Generative and agentic AI is picking up your course. టీ వచ్చిందా? వీళ్ళు ఒక 100 చాక్లెట్స్ తీసుకురా. ఓకే. హౌ మెనీ వాంట్ 5 స్టార్ మా? రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్. డైరీ మిల్క్ 50 డైరీ మిల్క్ 50 కిట్ క్యాట్ తీసుకుంటా. ఓకేనా? చలో జాओ. Manja. Both. Chalo. Yes, ma. You need to make generative AI and agentic AI is upcoming in the courses, but the main important thing is Gen AI and agentic AI. Agentic AI are the way or the technology to use AI models to provide the services to the customers. To provide the services to the customers. I already, every time I'm telling you that you need to learn the subject in two ways. One is how to develop a how to develop a car and how to use a car. How to use a car. What does it mean? How to develop a car means ChatGPT you are not developed. ChatGPT who developed? OpenAI developed. Now Gemini model you not developed. Who developed? So we are using. So definitely a student know how to use AI models. Okay, na Hitesh? How to use AI models. That is the first thing. But using AI models is not enough. Nowadays everyone become AI engineer. There's a AI bubble is going on. We already discussed. Once AI bubble burst, then those are only pursued how to use the car, how to use AI models. Your jobs will be risky. So it is very, very important. You should know how to develop the AI models also. How to develop the AI models also. That's why we are saying that how to develop the AI models. How to develop AI models. How to develop AI models. So there are two ways you need to see the subject. How to use AI models, how to develop the AI models. How to develop the AI models, who will give the skill, ma? Machine learning will give the skill. Machine learning will give the skill, and deep learning will give the skill. Deep learning and NLP. What is the full form of NLP? Natural language process will give the skill. This is we call, overallly we call it, this is called data science. Now this is going into the under which program? Data science program. We already know that is. Now how to use AI models means definitely you need to learn about Gen AI. You need to learn about LLM models. LLM models, only text models. Only text models. Also, you need to learn about the prompt engineering. How to talk with AI models. That is called what? Prompt engineering. And you need to create a very, very important application. That's called which application, ma? RAG applications. RAG applications, we have two frameworks are there. What are the two frameworks, ma? One is LangChain. Another one is Lang, not LangSmith, Llama index. What is called? Llama, Llama index. Llama index is there. These two are best for creating the RAG applications. After you create in the RAG application, you need to, in the RAG application, what you are doing? We are connecting the external tools. So you need to learn MCP technologies also, how to connect with external tools. That's MTP, model context protocols. And next, you need to create agents also. You need to create agents. That's called agents or agentic AI methodology. Agentic AI methodology. Now, under the agents or agentic AI, we need to have some frameworks are there. What is the important framework, ma? LangGraph is the framework. And next to another framework is what, ma? Crew AI is the framework. Crew AI is the framework. Crew AI. And one more framework is there. AutoGen framework is there. Which framework? AutoGen framework is there. And next, you want to know about the deployment also. Deployment and monitor the LLM models, monitor your applications, debugging your LLM applications, and deployment of your LLM applications. For the deployment, every student should know about the LangSmith. Now, LangSmith coming here in which place now? Monitor and debugging place it is coming. So one place is generative AI. LangChain is coming for which applications? RAG applications. LangGraph is coming which applications? Monitoring coming which applications? LangSmith applications. And after that, every student should learn about the Azure deployment also. Azure Web Service, Azure Web App, or AWS EC2 instance, AWS EC2, or GCP Vertex AI. That is also you need to focus. So, whenever you have a time is there, in this, anyhow, those who are enrolled, the course, it is going on. Those who are not enrolled, those who are listening the workshop now new, or you also, whenever you have a time is there, you need to pick one topic, you need to follow the topic like that. You need to follow it. Agentic AI, Lang graph, you need to pick one topic and you need to research it. You need to research it. This is the overall story, you need to learn it. Online class, sir, online students, Zomato. Okay, na Maitesh? Sravani? Now, here, the agenda is, why I called offline is, today we will go through, I want to teach you such a way that if Omkar sir is not with you, how can you learn by your own? The very, very best part is what? Documentation. Documentation. Today our session goes in the different way, means every student should read the documentation. You should understand the code first and you need to copy paste it. You need to run it with my help. So that's why I call you to everyone to the come offline. So you no need of worry about that whenever you go to the outside industry. Many people, non-IT people or no different category people, they're thinking like that, are we able to do in the IT industry or not? Yes, you are definitely able to do when you are starting day onwards, you need to learn most of the time from documentation by your own. That's the way you need to learn it. Every time Omkar sir is not available. For example, when C language started, people are started to study C language. When C++ started, people are coming to Naresh to C++. Why are coming to the every language? If you learn one programming language, can't you learn another programming language by your own? You need to think in that direction. You need to think in that direction. Suppose one student is learning that AWS, why he is coming again to learn Azure? If you are learning AWS very well, can't you learn Azure by your own? That's the way you need to learn the subject. You should not completely depend on any one faculty or any one trainer end to end. And again, whenever the new technology will come, again I will go to Naresh IT, I will go to some other institute. That is a, you are unnecessarily wasting your time. That is never increase your capability. That's why you need to increase the documentation reading. If you start now, then we can progress that in entire our life. Because we know we are a one-time batters, no? One day night. Tomorrow exam I thought today we will study and we will go. That to 5 questions only we will study. And in that 4 questions we will write, one question we will write Bahubali story. Bas ho gaya, pass. So that's the way we are going to afraid. That's the way we are going to afraid. That's why I call you to everyone to come to offline today. Chalo, now we'll go to everyone. Everyone open that, type LangChain. Everyone type LangChain. Everyone type LangChain. Sravani and Prudhraj Hitesh, you raise your hand. Yeah, thank you. Boloma Sravani, what do you want? Sravani and Anushka and Prudhviraj. You can message me in the chat. I will respond to your questions. Acha, I thought you raise your hand for chocolates. Chalo. Next. In this, everyone type LangChain ma online people. Now onwards, you need to say yes, 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 yes. Okay. Not you. Your internet working, Ara? How is this class? This class is good. You like this class? When you come to the Amirpet Naresh IT, first hostel, you did not like that. After that, you are staying in Amirpet hostel only. Chalo now, look at the board. Click on this products, ma. Click on this products. There's a lang chain is there. There's a lang graph is there. There's a one is what is there, ma? LangSmith is there. Observability, debug or monitor, evaluation, deployment, agent builder. These two are new. Now these are old. LangChain used for what? Calling the LLM applications and using the prompting and everything and creating the RAG application. LangGraph used for what? Agentic. LangSmith used for what? Deployment, debugging, and monitor. The basic things you should know, that is the basic things. Now click on the LangChain first. Click on the LangChain. Click on the LangChain. Now there the docs are available. Docs. The docs are available. You are seeing that docs, everyone. Click on the documentation. Ma. Click on the documentation. You clicked on the documentation, ma. Everyone click on the documentation now. Good morning, ma Tulsi. Once you click on the documentation, there the home button is there. Home button is there. And documentation is there. Open source agent is there. Python is there. JavaScript is there. LangChain is there. LangGraph, deep agents. And if you go down, everything is available here. LangChain with Python is there. You need to read it. You need to make a habit yet to read the documentation. From starting end, from L to last till here, you need to read here. You need to make some patience. You need to read it, because in the future so many documentations will come. Different companies will provide different technologies. The best way part is what? Documentation only. Now, if I drop down is there under the home, there's a drop down is there. Under the drop down again, LangChain plus LangGraph is there. One more thing is there, ma? LangSmith. So let's click on this one by one. LangChain, you click on it. LangChain, you click on it. Then automatically the home button changed to LangChain and LangGraph. Now LangChain is there. LangGraph is there. Deep agents is there. Integrations, learn, reference, and contribute is there. Contribute is there. Now here, LangChain is a framework. It can be access any LLM model. LangChain is a framework. It can access any LLM model. That any LLM model you can able to see by integrations. Now we know some LLM models. What are the LLM models you know? GPT, Gemini, and Bedrock, Llama, XAI, Groq model, Anthropic Cloud AI, DeepSeek model. These all models you already know. There's a one website is there. Open Router is there. What is there, ma? Open Router. Can you type it? Open Router. Open, not root, router, not writer, ma. Open Router. Open router.ai. Open Router. Open Router, ma. Online people. If you click on that Open Router, there's a ranking is there. Are you seeing that ranking? Ranking. Click on the ranking. Click on the ranking. When you click on the ranking, you are able to see some leaderboard you are seeing. This will tell that now on November 14, who is the model today? Who is the best model today? If you go down, now Groq 4.1 fast is one of the best model today. Groq means again GROK different to GROQ different. GROK is different to GROQ different. GROK is called Elon Musk model, that's called XAI company. Groq is the different company to access the Llama model very easily. Llama model very easily. Today we will learn the Groq also. Llama model very easily. Both are completely different. K and Q. You should not confuse it. Okay. Groq is which model? XAI company model. And Groq is used for what, ma? Access the Llama model. Now open router you see here. Groq 4.1 and Gemini 2.5 and Gemini 3.0 also आ गया for pro review. Now you click on here. Again come to here. This location. Again come to here. Understood? Open router now. So whenever you have a time is there, you can explore by yourself different models. Don't sit idle. At least every model you explore it and just understand. You make one documentation also, like one article also, which model is performing better, like that. Now here, click on the integrations, everyone. Click on the integrations. Click on the integrations. Click it. Click Llama integrations. Now your left side, all providers are available. All providers are available. So these are all are providers, ma. We already seen OpenAI one model is there, Anthropic one model is there. Now which model you want to access? Tell me one model. OpenAI. Then click on the OpenAI. Then click on what? OpenAI. Then you need to access that. But OpenAI need what? API key. OpenAI need API key. Today we will use free API key because yesterday you got problem, na? For that we need to use free API key means free model means Llama model. Which model is free? Developed by which company? Hey. Meta. Which company? Meta, not Microsoft. Developed by Meta company. It is a free source. It is a free. One of the girl went for interview, our mentor, they asked you that, load the Llama model and show me. That is only interview. At the time Groq is not developed, it is very tough to load the Llama model. Because we already know ChatGPT has so many billions of parameters. You know, ChatGPT has how many parameters? Parameters means almost 1 trillion parameters I have ChatGPT. 1.8 trillion parameters. 1.8 trillion parameters have. इतना big model, if you want to load in your laptop को support नहीं होता. That's why we need API keys. You cannot download the models in your laptop. In order to connect the Gemini model, we are connecting the Gemini API key. In order to connect with the OpenAI model, we need OpenAI key. Similarly, everywhere we need keys. We need a keys. You cannot download locally. So we will do the Groq model now. Everyone, click on the Groq, Groq. Type Groq. Groq. Type Groq, Groq. Type Dhamma. Click on it. Click on it. Groq. Click on it. There's a developers are there. The free API key is there. Start building is there. You need to sign up with your Gmail account. You need to sign up your Gmail account. Now click on here. Sign up कर दो Gmail account के. Continue with Google. Continue with Google. Continue करो. Continue with Google. Then log in with your Gmail account. Then you can able to see some API keys here. You can able to see some API keys. Now onwards, you no need to worry about your model API keys. Llama model you can use every practice. For practice के लिए. Because API keys, OpenAI, you need minimum $5 you need to pay. And Gemini key after 10-15 runs it will be expire. But Llama model API key works for very well, but only for text, not for images. Only for text. So now click on the API keys. Click on the API keys. Following among online people, please confirm the chat. Online student, following among, please confirm the chat. Bolo SSS batao. Very good. Yeah. Under the API keys, there's a create API key is there. Create it. And type here something. Suppose I'm typing that LangSmith workshop. LangSmith workshop. I'm typing here. LangSmith workshop. I typed here. Again, I'm repeating ma. Sweta. First type Groq here. Then click on the Groq is fast and low cost inference. Start building. Click on start building. And you need to log in with your Gmail account. Click on API keys. Click on API keys. And create API key. Create API key. Yes, ma Sagar, exactly. Correct. Puneet, you are doing office laptop. Huh? Now create API key and type something name. It will be pop-up will come. You need to copy paste it. A pop-up will come like this. Suppose I'm giving that LangSmith workshop key. Then I submit it. Immediately a pop-up will come. A pop-up will come. You need to copy it. You need to copy it. Because you see here, copy it now as it will not display it again. So copy karna immediately. Copy da? Copy da? Open notepad and save it. Save somewhere. Open notepad and save it somewhere. It is no restrictions. It will be no money. It is free. It will automatically expire हो जाएगा. You don't need to do anything. Multiple times expire हो जाएगा. Multiple time you can create it. Very good. I explained for you only, ma Sweta, 2 times. Still again you want, huh? 2 weeks, ma. 2 weeks after it will expire. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This key supports Llama model. Ma. Not only Llama model, I will tell you which key supports. Now look at the board. Everyone able to access the key now? Online people, please confirm the chat. Yes, batao. Very good. Now there's a playground is there. Playground. Are you able to see playground, ma? Playground. Click on the playground. A ground आता. Are we need to supposed to play cricket, not today? Somebody told. In the playground, there is a OpenAI GPT OSS 120p is there. Are you seeing? There is a drop down option also there. Click on the drop down. Click on the drop down. These many models it will support, ma. These many models it will support. Now one model name is Meta Llama Prompt God 2222. Whisper. This is all Quen model, Llama model. Just scroll down karo either side mein. Like scroll down karo. Suppose Llama 3.70b versatile. When you click on this, a separate pop-up will come in the side, left side. Coming up. There's the one copy button is there. Are you seeing here? Copy button. Like that, you need to go, you need to copy the model name here. You should not type it. If you type it, you'll do spelling mistakes. And hyphens and that everything will do mistakes. You need to go here, you need to copy it. Samjha? Every time. Suppose sometime what happens, they will remove the model. Maybe old model might not works. So that's why also you need to go to website. You need to go to playground. You need to check it. So where we need to go? Playground. And there is a drop down. Under the drop down, we have here so many models are there. Which model we are picking? 70B we are picking. You can pick any model. That's up to you. Then I am copying here. So model also copied in the notepad. Model also copied in the notepad. Coding we will do now. Any model ma Suraj. Shruti, after saving the API key notepad, will you explain it again? Simple ma. You need to now API की Shruti loaded. Now Shruti के चाहिए क्या चाहिए? Model का नाम चाहिए. Which model she can access? Which model you can access? Now for that again you need to go to where ma? Playground. Where you need to go? Playground में जाना. Playground. Playground में जाओ. Click on the playground. Then again there is a drop down option is there in the top. Drop down option is there in the top. Then click on the drop down. There so many models are there. You pick one model under the meta. You pick one model. You don't copy here. You just take your cursor on this. A left side pop-up window will appear. Then you simply copy here. Copy model ID. That is a model name. Okay, now check your friend's laptop. They are doing properly or not. Now we need to execute the code. Now we need to execute the. In order to execute the code, where we need to go now? Documentation. Documentation में जाना. Documentation में जाना. Now which documentation? Which documentation? LangChain documentation. We already opened. LangChain documentation. We are able to extract the key. We are able to extract the model ID. Now we need to go to LangChain documentation. Okay, na Surya? Very good. Now, in the LangChain documentation, there is a Groq is there. If you see that Groq, Groq. Available? Huh? Online people बोला माँ बताओ SSS बताओ click on the Groq now. Click on the Groq. Now read it. Groq developed first language processing unit LPU. The Groq deterministic single core slowly go down. Slowly go down. There is a package installation setup is there. Pip install LangChain Groq. Today you should only do everything. Not Omkar sir. कैसे करना? How to do everything? You should tell me now. अब क्या करना? Either you can go to the Jupyter notebook, either you can go to the VS Code, or you can go to the Google Colab. So it is an open workshop. That's why I'm open in the Google Colab now. So you can also open the Google Colab. Open Google Colab. Type Google Colab ma online people. Yeah, Shaker. Video will be available. Akram, long time no see. You can do Anaconda prompt also, ma Mukesh. Anywhere you can do, ma. Anywhere you can do. We want to install. So better you also open a Google Colab only. That's the better. You can sync up with me. Google Colab open karo. There is a new notebook option is there, right? Click karo. New notebook option. New notebook option click karo. New notebook option click karo. Click on the new notebook. Click on the new notebook. Now notebook is opened. Now notebook is opened. This you already know very well. Yeah. Correct. Course completed. Now here type it or you can copy it. What is the first one? Installation. Pip install. The best part, I will give one trick to you. I will give one trick. All the installations all the installations with hyphen ra. All the installations with hyphen. All the imports with under dot. All the imports with now same LangChain name, but what will be there? Dot will be there. This is the simple trick you always need to observe. Every installation name will come with what? Underscore hyphen, and whenever the installation completed, import will come with a dot. Import will come with a dot. This is very simple. Okay, you follow it only. Again repeat my installation time में क्या होता? Hyphen. Import time पे क्या होता? Dot. You observe it now onwards everywhere. Okay. Now run it. Exclamatory mark करो. Exclamatory mark करो and run it. Let me know working or not working. Very good. Sometimes if we don't use it, error will come. That's why we are using Sunil. Parthasarathi. Very good. Now again come to here. Installation completed. Go down now. Next, what is there? API key. Don't do this. Now come here. From LangChain now, copy paste. Now import the package. Import the package from LangChain, Groq, import chart Groq. Just copy it and do it here. Just copy it and do it. Now it will be run. Because you already installed, it is able to run it. It's able to run it. Very good. Now chat Groq. Now chat Groq is a method to access the Llama model or LLM model using API key. Using API key. Using API key. So chat Groq is a method. So chat Groq is a function call. So definitely there is a bracket open, bracket close. Inside I need to pass number one is I need to pass my API key. I need to pass what? Next I need to pass my model name. I need to pass my model name. Next I need to pass, yesterday we learned some subject. How many tokens you want to generate? How to control the model response? The temperature you can control it. Temperature meaning what? The model thinking power. 0 aito straightforward response. 2 aito random response. That we already learned, right? That parameter also we need to provide it. The parameters also we need to provide it. What is this generally? Again, I am repeating. Temperature. I am asking a question. First question. Yesterday we have taken one example. Tell about Virat Kohli. Tell about Virat Kohli. Now, one student is giving answer. One student is giving answer, a straightforward answer. Virat Kohli is a Indian, is an Indian batsman. Another student name is Suresh. Suresh is giving an answer. Virat Kohli is an Indian batsman, and RCB player, great player, got many recognition, got many awards. Now, Satish is saying that Virat Kohli is an Indian batsman, everything same answers is giving. Batsman, RCB player, and a great player, everything is saying that. But it is providing some unwanted also. He is living in London. He is living in London. Many people, many of his fans are not liking that. Some random thing is saying. You tell about Virat Kohli, then why you are asking that many fans are not liking? He is many, like he is better than like he is better than Sachin, like that. Why you are giving all the random things? That means you are talking so much. You are talking so much. You are talking very less. You are talking normal. It is possible or not? When you go in interview, when interviewer asking the question, one student will say everything he will tell. Tell about logistic regression means we will tell about logistic linear also. Like that. Some student will not say anything. Some student will say whatever the amount is chahiye, utta amount only he will tell. Why it is happening? It is your brain. Different students are telling different. Why? This is because of happening. Our human intelligence should control. You need to say that, bro, don't give answer. Don't give this much answer. Then how can you control the model? Bolo, how can we control the model now? How can we control the model? By using temperature. So that's why we need that. Now again go to documentation. Now, where is another code? Code gaya. Code is not there. Now kaise jana documentation? Kaise do na? What is there here? See, usage example. A click karna. When you scroll down, the next part of code is missed. See, there is no next part of code. The next part of code is underline where usage example. Click karo. Click karo. Go down. Here there is a one code is there. This part of code. This part of code. This part of code now. Now here, what it taken? Model. What it taken? What it taken? Is taken what? It is. It is. This all we don't need. We need only first three. Suppose the reasoning format, timeout, max trace. We don't need. Timeout and max trace. What happen when model is not giving the proper answer? Na, we are providing to the model. You try one more time. You try two more times. You try three more times. We are telling to the model, and we provide 60 seconds or 1 minute time gap. So that we don't want now. So you can copy paste that. Copy paste it. Now copy, go to your again documentation. Google Colab. Here, don't run it. Don't run it. Don't run it, ma. Don't run it. If you run this, first we need to change what our model. Which model is using by default? Which model you want to use? Keep the Llama model here. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Come here. Where is your Llama model? Here, this one. Llama 3.3, 70B, versatile. ये paste करो. ये paste करो. I copied this code from here, ma. Mishra, I hope you are here, right? Chat models. After installation, please confirm the chat. Here, there the usage example is there. Click on the usage example. Click on the usage example. Sir, I want to ask if I chatbot, why will your system will crash? Gemini model is not available, na? Anshu, available, Gemini model available, Gemini model not available. Gemini model is not available. Then you no need to use. Vandana, when you create the chatbot, your system will not crash. In our students, creating a chatbot is jujube for them. That system will not crash. Don't think like that. Now come here. Now remove this. Remove this. How many tokens you want to generate? How many words of you want to answer? 50. Suppose 50 words में answer आना चाहिए. Imagine that. 50 words में answer आना चाहिए. Temperature 0. Now run it. You will get error. Run it. Error आ गया? No. Error आ गया बाद में. What we need to provide? API key we need to provide. बोलो मैं online people, what we need to provide? API key. API की प्रोवाइड करो API की what is your API key? You already copied, na? You already copied the API key, right? You already copied the API key. Very good. Now run it. LLM dot invoke. LLM dot invoke. Bracket open, bracket close. Now ask the question. Ask the question. Which question you want to ask? Ask it and run it. Answer आ जाएगा. Tell about who are the top 5 cricketers in India. Who are the top 5 cricketers in India? Now run it. Tell me. Answer coming or not coming? Coming? ऑनलाइन पीपल बोलो मैं एसएसएस बताओ. Don't know ना. Very good. Answer coming. But the answer is coming in unusual format. The answer is coming unusual format. What is the format? AI message. What is there? Content. Here are the top 5 cricketers India based on the recent performance. Then additional keywords. So many things are coming. In order to make this, you need to extract only where is your answer is available. Your answer available in the content equal to. Your answer is available where ma? So that's why you need to do a dot content here. क्या करना? Dot content. Dot content करना. Dot content. Now run it. अब आ गया answer. But why only Kohli is answer coming? Because you control your model with how many tokens? 50 tokens. How many tokens? You can count it. Almost approximately will come 50. That is the beauty. Controlling you need to learn. Then you become what happened? Good AI engineer. It is only stuck at Kohli only. Suppose if you give none here, it will give lamba answer now. None karo. Or 5 and 12 karo. 100 tokens karo. 5 and 12 tokens karo. Then biggest answer will come. Biggest answer will come. Again rerun karo. So you can control your output by using what? Tokens. How many tokens you want to generate? How many words you want to generate? How many words you want to write in the answer sheet? So if I am saying that you want to write only 20 or 50 words only, then Pakka Kohli will stop no middle. If you're saying that if I want to write that 1000 tokens, 1000 words, you can write big answer. If I am saying that no limit, how many papers you want to write it, that many you can write it. That is called what? None. Now run again. Check your friend's laptop, bro. They are doing or not doing. Ask them why they are not doing. This slash you can oppose by using printing. Print karo. Now print karo, you can able to see print the answer now. You can able to see answer very properly. Very properly you can able to see. Very properly you can able to see. Very good. I will give 1 minute pause. If you have any doubts, let me know. If you are anyone not able to do also, let me know. You want to make? पासवर्ड विच पासवर्ड रा अम्मा వైఫై పాస్వర్డ్ చాయ్ క్యా బ్రో అందుకే రా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ట్విట్టర్ తగ్గియాలి రాత్రిపూట ఇంటర్నెట్ బాగా వస్తుంది బ్యాలెన్స్ అందుకే బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉండదు వెరీ గుడ్ सर एपीआई के स्टार्ट विद जीएस की ग्राहक ओनली यस मा सिरी Abhishek, you can join in this group. There's one WhatsApp group is there, you can join that. Then you can get it that. You can join in that WhatsApp group. If anyone interested in the course, you can share this WhatsApp group to your friends, ma. They'll get some demo videos and that one. Abhishek, you can join in that. Thank you very first time I could install and use the model, tried many times but could not. I wanted to create my own customer chatbot. I can create this. Yes, ma, you can create it, Vandana. Thank you so much. Yes, ma, correct, Venkat. These are old models trained. You are right. Venkat is asking one good question. He's saying that model trained on old data. Yes. Even ChatGPT also trained on which data? 2024. A limit? 1 year back limit is there. ChatGPT also. We can ask the ChatGPT itself. Go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and ask the first question. On which date you trained? On which date you trained the data? It's saying that mid of 2024. Mid of every model like that only. Because if you trigger the train today, it will take 6 months to complete. It's not one day. Because biggest model na re. He's telling the cricket news, politics news, movies news, and other sports news, general news, finance news, healthcare news, physics, chemistry, mathematics, everything telling na. One day will not happen. That's why your brain equal to is equal to what? AI brain. How exactly your brain works, AI brain also will works. In order to study the course, how much time required? We studied 15 years, all the subjects. Like that you need to think. Chalo, very good. Now I will teach you one more thing. One more thing. Whenever I am telling you this, whenever I am calling you this, the answer is coming, so much answer is coming, the unwanted answer is coming somewhere. So we need to connect some chaining rule, chains. There is a one rule is called, method is called standard output parser. Standard output parser. Standard output parser available. Can you just insert in the Google? That's all. Standard output parser in LangChain. Just type it. Standard output parser in LangChain. Just type it. Okay, thank you so much. Enta? No. No. అబ్బాయిని రమ్మనవా Every model will give you the live data. ఇవి వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేయమ్మా. గర్ల్స్ వాట్ యూ వాంట్ వారు కిట్ క్యాట్ గర్ల్స్కి ఇచ్చేయి ఫస్ట్. గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ ఫస్ట్. మంచా డైరీ మిల్క్ 5 స్టారా? డైరీ మిల్క్ అమ్మాయిలకి ఇచ్చాయి, 5 స్టార్ అబ్బాయిలకి ఇచ్చాయి. We'll take some questions meanwhile. You take it. I will take some questions from online people. Meanwhile, if anyone want extra, give them one more extra also. Don't worry. But after everyone needed, cheaters, you are cheaters. Yeah, Vijay, we'll tell you that. Next that only, Vijay. Next half an hour that only. Top P is not available. Top P is available, ma K is not available. Top P is available, but not top K. But not top K, ma. This is our customer chatbot, and what is the difference between original and this model, sir? If you want to implement, the customized means on your own data, chatbot on your own data, chatbot on your own data, then you need to use the RAG application. You need to use RAG application. That you need to learn it. So that's why you need to attend the Omkar sir classes. Simple. Next, every LLM model nowadays, some external connectors are there. External connectors means they are connecting into other data sources like Google search. Whenever that LLM model don't know answer, it's immediately go into the Google search and they are doing the search and they are providing the answers. Even though the training data 2024, now it is searching and it is giving it. External connectors are there. You can go to the chat GPT, you can type it. What are the data sources you connected externally? It will give all the data sources. Now, what is the difference between creating using LangChain, similar response? That only, ma. You can use RAG applications, agentic application using LangChain. Because this is a simple workshop, nama. It is just a 1 hour, 1.5 hour workshop. In 1 hour, 1.5 hour workshop, you cannot learn entire AI. The idea, we are providing the ideas. If you learn this, how can you shape your ideas in the future? In order to do that, you need to learn RAG application and agentic AI applications. You need to learn it. Model is very how we are able to load with minimal resources. These models are free models only we are doing now. If you want to need office use case, you no need to worry. Office people will take care of, na. They will pay money, right? You no need to worry about that. Now coming to here. Now we'll go little fast now. Click on this output parser, ma. Click on this output parser. Click on this output parser. Click on this output parser, ma. Click it, ma. This output parser are Online people click Dama. Please confirm the chat, man. Here, the output parsers in the left side, that the LangChain core is there. Are you seeing LangChain core? There the LangChain core is there, ma. Now we need to install one more package called LangChain core. Which package we need to install? Now again, we need to install one more package called LangChain core. LangChain core. Here it is available. Here it is available. Under the LangChain core, output parsers are available. LangChain core, ma. Now click on the LangChain core. Now we need to install pip install LangChain core. Go to your Jupyter notebook ma Anaconda. Now type it ma. Pip install LangChain core. Do it ma. Pip install LangChain core. Pip install LangChain core. Run it. Run it. Arey 111 later boys. Why you chocolates, right? You need cricket and you need biryani, no? You know, right? What do you want? You are hungry, na? That's why chocolates. Not hungry. Already had 10 dosha, 10 idli. Rana, chalo now. Come here now. Online people moving next ma. Type it now. From LangChain, LangChain core, LangChain core dot parser will be available. Parser. dir of LangChain karo. dir of LangChain karo. dir of LangChain core karo. dir of LangChain core karo. dir of LangChain core. Exactly this name only. Here what is there? Hyphen is there. Here what is there? Underscore is there. Same name. dir karo. We need to import karo first. Import LangChain core karo and then dir karo. These two lines you do it. Import LangChain core karo. कर दिया. Import LangChain core karo. Now dir of LangChain core karo. These two lines completed. Completed. We need to parser. In that one method is there. Can you tell me what is the name? Loudly. What is that name? See, now you are able to do. What is the name? Output parsers. What is the name? Output parsers. Getting online people. That's why the name is from LangChain core dot output parsers import str output parser. This name you want. Don't do spelling mistake. Don't do spelling mistake, ma. Don't do spelling mistake, ma. Suryakant Nayak, type this, ma. Don't do spelling mistake, ma. Why this it will do? Because it will be clean your output. It will clean your output. Chaining we are learning, chain. Now we have LLM model all together, ma. I'm just doing all together. This is my LLM model के लिए. This is my LLM model. This is my LLM model. This is my LLM model. Okay, my LLM model. Next, my parser. Parser equal to, what is the name, ma? str output parser. These two you note it down, ma. First package related is called, this is the method. Second package related called LLM model. Do it, ma, this. And copy pasting online people, if you are facing any issues. I'm just combining both, that's all. I'm just combining both. We already did LLM and chart graph, na? Online students. Now this time I am combining both. I am simply combining str out parser, that's all. I simply combined both. I simply combined both. I simply combined. Now LLM model will give the answer. That answer will go through the parser and it will, the clean output will come out the output. What is the main thing, ma? Now look at the board. You are asking question. We will ask the question to Llama model. Okay. Now Llama model will give answer. Now Llama model will provide the answer, but that answer is cleaned. It will provide the answer, but it's not a cleaned answer. It's not a cleaned answer. We need to clean it. In order to clean करने के लिए, it need to pass where, ma? Parser. It need to pass where, ma? Parser में जाना. That's why we are doing this. This is called chaining. The LangChain framework में language plus what is there? Chain. The chaining also you need to learn it. So first LLM will give the output. That output is not a cleaned output. So we are passing through parser. So clear output will come. So we need to attach two. Which we need to attach, ma? One is LLM. Another one is what? Parser. So attachment equal to, so chain equal to LLM and like this parser. There's a vertical symbol आ जाएगा. LLM and parser. Vertical symbol आ जाएगा. That vertical symbol. Vertical symbol आ जाएगा. आ गया ना? Now invoke it. Now chain dot invoke. Now chain dot invoke. Now ask your question. Tell about a poem on kid. Now run it. Now you no need to do any pre-processing. Automatically it will do pre-processing and it will provide the answer. So that is called beauty of the chaining. One by one we need to do chain. Now you can print it, it will give the answer. Now response equal to print response. Print of response. Print of response. So this is the one step. Now I will give 1 minute pause. Then we will need to see in the LangSmith these answers. Again, no? Now no dot content, nothing. Directly automatically LangChain will take care of pre-process the input and it is given. That is the beauty of what? Chaining. That is the beauty of the chaining. Clear, ma? Online people, please confirm the chat, ma. Yes, ma. Parser. Parser means what? Just to clean the output. Now I want to see all these answers in the website. Which website? LangSmith. For monitoring करने के लिए, how many times it failed, how many times it is passed, how much time it is run, how many tokens it generated. This all the debugging I want to see. Now whatever we did the drill, now whatever we did that I want to store and I want to check later. I want to check later, and the best place is what, ma? LangSmith. Best place is what? LangSmith. Suppose here in the LangSmith, how many runs we did? How many questions we asked? How many questions we asked? What are those answers? What are those answers? What are those answers? Two different questions we ran, two different answers, and how many tokens generated? How many tokens generated? How much time it is happening? How much time it is happening? All these things we can able to see in one website that is called what, ma? LangSmith. Now go to type LangSmith in the Google. Now type LangSmith in the Google. Type LangSmith. Type da. Online people, please confirm the chat, ma. Yes, batao. Response variable you did not given, ma. Lakshmi. Here you did not give the variable name what? Response. You see here. That name you did not given. Here if you see, ma, again I am repeating. Here we got answer. How we got the answer? Who are the top 5 cricketers in India? The answer is coming cleaned or not cleaned? Because the answer is coming first. What is coming? AMSA. Next what is coming? Content. After this there is a one more keyword is there. What is there? Additional. What is there? Response is there. What is there? Token usage is there. This we don't want in the chatbot, na? We want to provide a clean answer. We want to provide a in order to clean answer करने के लिए we are using what? Parser. We are using what? So LLM model will give the answer. That answer will go through the parser. So it's a chain connection. It's a chain. LLM to parser, we are making a chain. This vertical symbol is nothing but what? Chain symbol. That we call LS, LCL. What is LCL full form? Khatam. Evening 7 p.m. batch. LCL. LangChain expression. अभी आता. खत्म जिंदगी. ऐसे कैसे तो जॉब कैसे मिलता? That is a new technique, na? We learn na in the class. Should study ra, study. Study है तो job मिलता. इतना इतना packages कैसे आता? 10 lakhs, 11, 15 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs कैसे आता? Very bad. No chocolate for you next time. Now go to website, click on it, click on the LangSmith. Again क्या करना? साइन अप करो. गूगल से साइन अप करो. Click on the LangSmith, ma, online people. गूगल से साइन अप करो. गूगल से साइन अप करो. I hope you sign up now. Whenever you open any website, first you will see panic. Don't panic now. क्या करना? मम्मा जी पापा जी को ग्रेटिट्यूड शो करना. क्या ग्रेटिट्यूड मतलब क्या? हाँ, स्टडी करना. Because they spend so much money on us, na, to degree tak. At least our job is what? Some P to each and everything we need to read it. Click करो, पैसा खर्च ना होता. Money will not cut. The student first afraid is, if I click this, what will happen? कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, click it. Now look at the board. There's a personal is there. What is there? Personal is there. There's some icons are there. Expand, home, tracing projects, monitoring, data sets, annotations, prompts, playground, studio, deployment. Are you able to see? In the down also there is a setting symbol is there. In the down also there is a setting symbol is there. Left side icons. Left side icons, all are left side icons. Left side icons. So here also we need what? API key. Here also we need what? API key chahiye. So that API key available in the settings. The API key available in the settings. Available amma online people, please confirm the chat ma. It's available in the settings. नेक्स्ट क्या करना? तुमको पता चलेगा अभी. किधर है? टॉप राइट, क्लिक करो. Give some description and again copy paste it. Again copy paste it. Again copy paste it. Here type karo, description type karo. Give some name. Give some name. Any workspace is available? Workspace one only. You one workspace. Never create API key enable karo. I already have. I don't want to create one more time. एक ही बार कॉपी करो. एक ही बार कॉपी करो. Otherwise you cannot copy later. Copy कर. Let me know once you are copied. Let me know once you are copied. I will take my API key. You can copy paste in Notepad as of now. Where to create API key? Hussain Basha, you are not following, huh? Where you are now? Hussain Pasha, are you there in this place? Copied, very good. Here in the settings, LangChain. Very good, very good. Let me take my key. No, we cannot access again. They mention clearly. Copy now only, you cannot see later. Vandana. They mention very clearly. If you pay money, they will give. Free, I think they will not give. We need to pay money. Free service only, Omkar sir only will give. Now, let me copy my API key. Somewhere it is there in the Python code. 10 minutes हो जाएगा अभी. 10 minutes. Oh, it is not there here. Give a minute, ma. See, Omkar sir is doing very hard. You can give your API key to me, no? You are not giving your API key. Cheaters. Hmm? No one is giving the API key. Yesterday also no one gave the API key, right? One class. Which class, ra? Morning 7:30 a.m. In the morning 7:30 a.m. they did not give the API key to me. Send, huh? Let me take my API key. चलो फर्स्ट नंबर वन ऐसे कॉपी कर LangChain API की LangChain प्रोजेक्ट LangChain API की LangChain प्रोजेक्ट LangChain API की your API key you can give any project name. You can give any project name. Test LLM app I given the name. Test LLM app I given the name. Import OS. Import OS. OS.environmental. ऐसे करना LangChain API की LangChain API की LangChain project and LangChain tracing V2. These three names you need to provide, ma. Same name. Same name. Thank you so much, ma, for your API keys. Same name. I already copied in the chat also, online people. So we need to create environmental variable first. If you don't use true, it will not work, ma. True pakka dena. True pakka dena. LangChain API key, LangChain project, LangChain tracing V2. Okay. Same name. This red color is mandatory. Red color is mandatory. Exactly that name only you need to provide. Red color names are mandatory. Pakka LangChain capital, API capital, key capital. Pakka. That is mandatory. LangChain API key, LangChain project, and LangChain tracing V2. Okay, na? This is we are setting up because whatever we run, now it will be visible in where? LangSmith. This we are setting. Whatever you do under this now, it will be visible in the LangSmith. Whatever we did till now, we imported the chart Groq. We have the question, right? Copy paste that code here. Copy paste that code here. Simply copy paste entire code in the down. Getting up online people. After these three lines, whatever you want to see, simply copy paste entire this line under this. अब रन करो. अब रन करो. Copy paste entire this. Ramesh, LangChain project says not defender. What is LangChain project? You need to give these two keys now first. Rahim, Realme, sorry. Realme pad. ये क्या name रे? LangChain API key, you need to give provide API key. LangChain project, you need to provide the some name here. And that you need to provide here. Akram, we need to figure it out. Why you are facing that issue? Maybe some backend your laptop not supporting some permissions. You gave that. No. If you gave that, it will not give any error. Why it will give? Spelling mistake. Spelling mistake. Spelling mistake, Chinna. Spelling mistake. That is pakka spelling mistake only. Ajay, what happened, Ajay? Where you got struck? Project name, any name you can give. Vijay, any name. You want to give Vijay name? Provide the Vijay name. Vijay app. Vijay app you can give. Any name. Let's see. Automatically creator, not creator. We'll see. Getting Amma Vijay. Automatically will creator, not creator. We will see. Yeah, I know. Spelling mistake only it is. I'm giving my Vandana. Last 3 lines. I'm giving the entire code my online people. Properly copy paste karo. Rana, go to LangSmith, no? Able to see, test LLM not created, Go to projects. I'm running now. I created now. Let's see. It's created or not created. See here. Under the personal, there's a test LLM app is there. Created for you. Refresh karo, bro. Refresh karo एक बार. ऐसे refresh करो. ऐसे refresh करो. When you refresh it, first page, what you are seeing? Personal or you are seeing personal? Personal. Loading. Chinna personal. Hitesh. Personal. Online people seeing mama personal. It is not copy, but you have already typed now. Amia and Sami Sayed. You already typed now. I'm just simply copy pasted my code itself. This entire thing is we already typed ma. Amia and Samit. This entire thing we are going step by step only, na. Simply I added only 3 lines. Don't worry for copy paste. Understand the code. Simply only 3 lines only. Let me know once you are able to see in the personal, there's a test LLM app. Under the default it is there. Only default only there. Click on the default. What is coming? So by default it is not creating for you. Then do one thing. Those who are not default creating, create a new project for you. Click on the plus. Click on the plus icon. Click on the plus icon. Click on the plus icon under the projects. See, you're confusing. First of all, you need to tell me where you are available, where you are there. Are you there in the personal? Pakka? Click on the default. Click on the default. You need to talk with me, na. Otherwise, how can I know? Click on the default. Click da. If you click aito, there is a top right side new project आता. New. New click करो. New automation. Now here in the top here, under the personal, there is a tracing projects are there. Under the default is there. First personal, next what? Click on the tracing projects. Click on the tracing projects. Able to see tracing projects? अभी आ गए ना? New project. Under what is there? Here रा. अरे तुषार क्या रे ब्रो? देखना रे ब्रो? देखना रहे इधर रेड कलर में. Under top right, new project coming. Click on the new project. Click on the new project. So under the personal, under the tracing project, so all the projects will be listed out. All the projects will be listed out. You did not created any project. Now create the project. Give some name now. Give some name. Trace existing applications. It is name also not there. But by default it should आना चाहिए. Why it is not coming then? So for your default only coming, it is not coming for you. Pakka. Sure. Bring your laptop. How come it is coming? What is the document you typed on this? Where is your Python code? One minute, let me check. Then you do one thing. Your default only you'll give the name then. Those are getting the default. The default only will give the name. Inside default, what is there? It is there. But my question is, why you are getting default only coming? That only my question. I'm just checking. Because when you create it, go ma. When you create it, what is coming is here clearly saying na. What is saying project name? We already exported also. Still, why you are not coming for you? Online people, what is your status? Tell me. What is your status? Default only. Same. Very good. Let me figure it out now. Then you do one thing. Go to here. In the default only will change the name. Default only will change the name. Go to default. Here there is no change. By default it is not creating. Manual instrumentation. And more integrations. So this code is a coding only is there. Here only we edit it. Here only we edit it. So click on the default itself. Click on the default. Now we need to check where is the edit option is there. Edit option. Vijay, where you edited? Here, I'm not seeing, yeah, settings here. Here you edit it. Default name you can change into some name. Default name change into some name change karo. Hussain Basha, you are not following, ma. You are not following the class. Then don't worry. Here, ma. Somesh. Here, here. Here, here. I will repeat again. 1 minute. First to personal, When you are in the personal, Somesh, there's a view, all tracing projects are there. The down. Click on the all tracing projects. Click on all the tracing projects. Then click on the default. Click on the default. When you click on the default, there's a setting option is there. Setting option. And the setting option, go to setting option. Then change into some name. Which name you provided? James Bond. Which name, give that name and submit it. Submit kar rahe. And then come to here, Google Colab, and change here the name. What is the name? LangChain project name you change karo. LangChain project change karo. Change da? Chalo. I will give one name here now. What is the name I will give now? Here is setting symbol. And now workshop. What is the workshop date now? December. Before say ensure code is updated for new project name, new traces NB to the old project. Submit karo. Now workshop December. Okay, na? Now workshop December, I need to go to the Google Colab. And I need to provide here. First to change my name, project name. Change my project name, run it. Run. Now this also run it. Now you see. Now you see. We'll take doubts, ma. Don't worry. First let it run. Finish this. Now go to here. Now go to tracing projects. Refresh it. Something is being missed. For me it is working. For you it is not working. For me it is working 11:57. For you it is not working. Mohammad Asif working. How many people are getting answers now? Seeing answer? Answer getting not Ray. Answer we need to see. Answer we need to see there. Answer we need to see here. In the your LLM app. 1 minute. I am just opening. Answer. अरे बाप रे क्या रे Nilma able to see. We'll take question, ma. We'll take question. Don't worry. Here, in the tracing projects, we created a workshop December, right? And here we need to able to see the answers once you run it. Successful run. Here I am able to see, right? Suppose test LLM I have ran, right? First. And here I am able to see Virat Kohli answer. At 11:57 it is ran. 11:57. Everything is going to for me Virat Kohli only. Even the given the name is also not going. But for you it is going or not going? Not going for you. Even the name also given also. Sample? Sample agent trace. Which one? Acha, one document loader is available. One default is available for you. One default is available. But why that is problem is happening for you only? Why you are so lucky, Ra? Let me figure it out. LangChain project you provided will take different question now. Take different question. Test LLM will give 1 minute. Test LLM app will give. Take the different question. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. This आना चाहिए now. Now I ask the different question. Tell about the poem on kids. Now I'm going to the LangSmith. I'm going to tracing projects. But why again Virat Kohli is only coming? Kid किधर गए? But Virat Kohli we run long back, no? Some issue is there. Let me figure it out, that issue. Some issue we are facing here. That issue. One minute, ma. One minute. Even iron also it is not working. But Virat Kohli answer is working. We'll give different name. Mm, 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 mm. LangChain tracing V2 true only is there. LLM app is there. Name correct है ना? Test LLM will give one more name. Test -LLM will give. You also try it. I will also try it. Let's see. We'll figure it out why it is not coming. I'll open one more time freshly. You will also try it, ma. I will also try it. No need to import, ma. Try it false, False काय करे? False आहे तो working अरे? False नहीं तो false नहीं will work. I think we need to refresh it. That's all. Some change. Already it is ran, but it's not coming somehow. It will come. Maybe internet issue or showing that kind of issues will occur. It's not opening also now. It's not opening also. It is came already. If I'm not wrong, it is already came, but some issues are there. That's all. You open LangSmith again. Open LangSmith. Which endpoint, Priya? That endpoint is not required. Only we need a project. We need a key already provided. Custom dashboard, personal. It is strange, Ra. Very strange. True. क्या minute? Last 14 days, I have run so many times. Everything is working, only for this time only it is not working. All time. We need to worry, Ray. We need to figure it out why it is not coming. We did many times, but today only not working. Today 7th December. Maybe all day. Or, it's okay, no issues. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out and I will teach you again. But why it is not coming? You try it again, same code with one more time. Run hona chahiye. But why it is not coming also, we need to check it. Allow me some time. I'll figure it out. But once you get the answers, you can able to see like this. Suppose if you are asking the questions here, last 7 days, suppose last 14 days I am providing here. You see, right? Some errors came. Some errors came. And some are answers came. And how much time it is taken. And where it is stored. And how many tokens. How many run counts. How many medians. Error, streaming, latency, everything debug you can do. Real time it will be very, very helpful. Real time. That's why we need to learn the LangSmith. Let me know if you are able to get the answer, but tomorrow again I will explain this in the class. I will figure it out why it is coming. For me, it is also not running. No, it is not a LangSmith. It is it is a LangChain only. LangSmith tracing. Give me no ma. That's same only. Suppose for example, if you go to here, click on the new project. You try all these things once. LangSmith tracing, LangSmith API key, LangSmith project. Everything can you do with LangSmith? Last one more time. Can you do that everything with the LangSmith? Everything with the LangSmith, ma. Can you do that one more time? Everything with LangSmith. LangSmith tracing. LangChain will work, ma. Don't worry. That is before it worked. And LangSmith project. LangSmith project. Maybe they changed it suddenly or what? That is not the issue. But LangChain will work. It is worked before also. Now LangChain tracing. Tracing you give it. Tracing. And LangSmith API key. Last one more time. This also you provide it. LangSmith API key. Now let's see. LangSmith. In the new project, there's a code is there, na? This I am taking the codes. But let me refresh it. LangChain will work. LangSmith also will work. But we'll give that try also. No, ma, no use. There's some issue is there, I think. Let me figure it out. Let me figure it out. But this is a way you can able to do it. Okay. And one more class, it will be figure it out. Don't worry. Please remove from true. This one. Hey, true होना चाहिए रा. True should be there. True आई तो error आता. True नहीं तो error आता. That is a variable ra. If you don't give the variable, you need to give capital T like this. Like this will not work. Never try it. Okay, code should be there. Code should be there, definitely there. 12, 8. Now I will take the questions. Chalo ma, you can leave it now. I will figure it out. Don't worry. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Enjoy the Sunday. Any chocolates are left? You only take, na? If you have any doubts, you can sit here. Online people will discuss the doubts, and remaining people you can sign it off. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the session. Let's see. The last we got failed. AI models are ऐसे होता real time. Real time in workshops ऐसे होता like that. But we'll figure it out. Don't worry. Mishra, tell me, Ma Mishra. Make sure your internet should be correct, Hussein. Then everything will figure it out. I will explain everything. But your internet should be correct, no? Thanks, Mamit. Thank you. Thank you so नहीं तो एरर आता ना रे एरर आता ना हाँ लैंग्वेज ग्रॉक Online people use Tema. I will discuss if you have any doubts. I thought. Online students, tell me my any doubts है तो मेरे को बताओ.
We'll share it, get rid of it. Jana get it and share it. Get link on other side to YouTube stuff. No, Sudhakar, that is not the thing. I will tell you. That is not the thing.
This you need to study. Then it will teach you how to load the documents. Okay.
First should load the document.
You're getting? First you load the documents and show me.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope you enjoyed the session. See you. Thank you.